Okay, hi everybody. So I've got my assistant here, Mr. Mitch Linville, and he's going to actually help me demonstrate how we make dishwashing detergent. It's basically the simplest thing you could do and the easiest and most affordable. So, Mr. Mitch, take it away.
Hi everybody, how are you doing? We're going to start off by taking 2 cups of washing soda, which I've pre-measured. We're then going to take 2 cups of borax, which is here. Then we'll be taking 1 cup of sea salt, which I have not mixed yet because we don't have enough scoopers. And then we will take 1 cup of citric acid. We are going to combine now, and these items are found at Walmart. The citric acid.
Online, Amazon.
Online and Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and combine. Now I need
Such hard work.
1 cup kosher salt. It's like burping a baby, ladies. It's a little more rough. Give it a nice little tap, make sure everything settles. Go ahead and add that in. We're going to take 15 drops. Today I'm using lemongrass and lemon. Let's do 15 drops. Oop, got a little extra in there. It's okay. Don't be shy. 15. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, cool. Okay, so now we're going to take and go ahead and we're just going to mix around. Use your hands. It's okay to get a little dirty. Knead it like dough. Once you feel like you have it mixed good, we're going to show you. It's as simple as that. Come over here, we're going to take our 1 little scoop, just 1 teaspoon, or tablespoon. Go ahead, just add it right on in there. Close your lid, ready to go. Thank you so much for watching our video today. By the way, these were doTERRA oils that we used. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Mitch.
Okay.